Hello, friends. Vince Burlapp here. No, today I'm not flying the space shuttle. Instead, I'm driving the new Honda Pilot Elite, which is the top-of-the-line version at a price of around $50,000. There's nothing futuristic here, just a handsome shape and a much nicer-looking SUV than the previous generation, except for the ridiculously large grille, which, for some reason, is trying very hard to look like a big GMC truck. The Honda logo has never been bigger. It is now probably larger than a big breakfast plate at McDonald's, but not nearly as tempting. The interior is huge, with up to 7 seats available. There's even an extra cargo space under the floor. It's big enough for a small kid in there. Although it might be illegal in some states, make sure you check. There is a convenient button to push the second row seat forward quickly in case you need to get out of that third row seat before the law shows up and starts asking embarrassing questions like, who put that kid in the storage space back there? The Elite model comes with a huge glass roof, which makes it easy to check the weather or the color of the sky. The start-stop button has a very bright red glow, like if there is something wrong. It never becomes green or white. For some reason, the new Honda Pilot does not get the new Google infotainment system you find on the Accord Touring. The Pilot has a smaller screen too, but no Google means satellite radio, thank God. 70s on 7, here we go. Honda kept their great electronic shifter in the new Pilot. It is very intuitive and so much better than the old-fashioned one found in the new Accord and CR-V. This big SUV has a big storage under the center armrest. There's another storage area on the dashboard to put even more of your stuff. No wood for the new Pilot. Instead, the dark plastic finish has a strange pattern that resembles a bunch of skyscrapers at night, or anything else you can dream of after a couple of cocktails. Here's that giant sunroof again, in case you missed it. And yet another storage space for something small, I guess, although I'm not sure why. Somehow it seems perfect for a pack of cigarettes. Maybe I could pick up smoking. Although I am cool enough as it is, you can also have supremacy over the rear seats, climate control from the front, which is great. Another small thing you can control over the rear passengers if they're not quiet enough or criticize your driving style. The 12-speaker Bose system sounds great, and justice was done to my beloved Barry White collection. The seats look and feel good, thank God. I hate ugly seats. There's that red start button again. You see it? Glowing and probably begging me to do something about it. Maybe I will. Maybe I will do something about it. Even in the middle of the night, still here, brighter than anything else in my world. The red glow of engine, start, stop, just like a devil tempting you. I shall win this fight, my friend. You will not prevail.